Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, Joe. Do you know what today is? Can you think what today is? You want me to give you a hint? Well, it's good morning. Huh? Oh, you don't know yet. Good morning, Joe. Good morning, Joe. You want me to stick the camera in the cage? Joey! Hello, Joey. Good morning, Joey. What's today? What is today? What is it? Excuse me. Skip over. Good morning, Angel. Good morning. What today is? What is today? What's today, Angel? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Angel. Come on out. Come on out. Come on out, Angel. Good morning. Do you know what today is? Good morning. Joey, what's today? You don't know? Angel, you're eating it already? What do you know what's today? Okay. You don't know. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right. Good morning. Do you know what today is? Oh, you had to do that. Oh, that's all right. Were you even good morning today? What today is? Today is... What's today? Today is... Good morning. And, happy birthday! Merlin! Merlin! It's your birthday! Happy birthday! You were hatched 5 years ago today. April 30th. Happy birthday to you! Merlin! Merlin! Merlin, baby boy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, baby boy. Love you, Merlin. Happy birthday! Not Joey. Merlin. Happy birthday to you. Love you, Merlin.